Let's take a look at number 9. It says find the number of units to produce a maximum revenue. R is equal to 95x minus 0.1x squared, where R is the total revenue in dollars and x is the number of units sold. Now when I look at this, I notice that it has an x squared in it, and x and so forth. This is a quadratic. Specifically, we're going to be using the vertex formula. At least part of the vertex formula. The vertex formula will give you your vertex, which is either the highest point or lowest point of a quadratic. Given that you have it in this form, where you have a function f of x is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c, then your vertex is given by negative b over 2a f of negative b over 2a. So let's look at this problem. We got a little bit different notation, r of x, but that's okay. 95x minus 0.1x squared. I'm going to rearrange this so it's a little bit more in that form. Negative 0.1x squared plus 95x. And we're going to go ahead and through and find our vertex. Now specifically all it wants is it wants the x part. Notice over here it says find the number of units, which is x. So it makes it a lot easier. First thing we do with the vertex formula is we identify a and b. Now a is whatever number is before your x squared, which is negative 0.1, and b is whatever number is before your x, which is 95. Then our second step is we plug in the a and b we just identified into this formula. So we got negative b, which is 95, over 2 times a, which is negative 0.1. I'm not very good with decimals, so I'll have to plug this in my calculator. That gives us negative 0.2. And I shouldn't have to do this, but oh well. Excuse me. Tired. We get 475. 475 is C. So let's go check that. 9C. Now again, checks. Now what told me to use that was the fact that they were asking for a maximum and they were giving me a quadratic. That's why I knew it was a word problem dealing with the quadratic vertex formula.